10:30 a.m. 45 minutes until departure, and Gordon still hasn't told his wife he's here.
How are you feeling this morning then?
I'm pretty scared. I'm not looking forward to it. Just want to get it over and done with. So yesterday I felt great afterwards, right up to about 10 o'clock last night, and then, the apprehension kicked back in again.
For one phobic in the group, it's all proving too much.
Because you've got the fear of having a panic attack. It's the fear of the fear. Right now, Daniel, what you're doing is you're trying to suppress that panic attack. You're trying to push it down.
So we're just about to board the flight. We checked in a few moments ago. The tension here among these people is really, it's quite intense, to be honest. I think looking around their faces, it's very obvious just how much these people have had to make themselves come here. Just hope it goes well on the flight.
It's their last chance to back out.
Good morning, how are you?
Very nervous.
That's fine. Well, you can sit anywhere after row 5, all right?
This will be the first time Gordon has flown in 10 years, and his heart rate monitor will be running throughout. At the moment, he's too stressed to even talk to me. Captain West explains what the plane is doing at every stage of the flight.
That click is the changeover from the ground power unit to the APU, the auxiliary power unit. Remember that little jet engine in the tail?
Please be aware that your nearest exit may be behind you. If we land on water, take the life jacket from under your seat. Put it over your head.
So here comes the power coming on now. Speed increasing now.
It's the moment of truth. Takeoff.
Wings effortlessly lifting us into the air. Give yourselves all a massive, great cheer. Here we are. We're flying. Very well done, everybody. Fantastic.
We're up. But for Gordon, it's not over yet. His heart rate is already higher than normal. But it's when the plane levels out that it seems to suddenly spike. This moment appears to be the specific trigger point for Gordon's fear. But using the relaxation techniques he was taught yesterday, he gets over it in moments.
Heading northeast.
Remember to breathe.
And if we're doing the route signature, we'll be turning left here. Otherwise, we'll sit straight down south. We'll end up doing the same route as we...
Gordon then does something he never thought possible. 10,000 feet above the ground, he stands up.
Oh, dude, I'm so pleased for you.
Still the pilots in there cruising along.
For Gordon, it's as effective a cure as he could ever have hoped for.
Now I'm feeling fantastic. I feel absolutely fine. Already I've stood up and haven't walked far, but I've been up, seatbelts off. I'm more relaxed.
When was the last time that you stood up on a plane?
25 years ago.
It is really extraordinary. It's really extraordinary. I'm so, so pleased for you.
Give yourselves one massive round of applause for becoming fearless flyers. Well done to everybody.
That's us down.
You've literally just done a flight. You've literally just done a flight.
Give yourselves another round of applause.